Well, M12 fuel drill is very compact, very lightweight, very easy to use. There's plenty of power, plenty of torque. It can do almost every job.
Milwaukee fuel drill is more powerful than the other drills that I've used in the past. For somebody that uses a lot of power tools, you can hear that the motor is a higher quality. I like how it's got the 1/2-inch chuck, so if you need to put a bigger drill bit on it, you can. It's got a hammer feature on it, which is nice because a lot of the other drills don't have that option either. And the interchangeable battery sizes is nice too.
Hey, it's nice to have something nice and light, very easy, and lighter's better.
Nice and light too when you gotta put them in your pouch and wear them, walk around all day long with them on.
I like the lightweight and it's compact. You can get into tight spaces. It's much easier to maneuver. It's actually impressive that how small it is and how much power it has behind it.
When we're getting into tight spaces, it's really nice to have the smaller drill.
You can get in any small space you want. Powerful and does a great job.
There's plenty of power for our everyday use with the M12 fuel.
They are heavy duty, they are durable, long lasting, and appropriate for the job.
It's a perfect tool. With the M12 fuel impact, there was plenty of power to do what we do throughout our day.
The M12 Impact has a lot of power, more than I was expecting for such a small drill, and I was impressed with it.
It is lightweight, and it still can be used in a heavy-duty application.
Just fits in your hand perfect, fits in your tool pouch, you can pull it out, no problem.
You can get in tighter spaces.
And it's really compact. Feels good in your hand when you're using it. It's nice and light. A lot of other impacts don't have the speed settings on it.
I use the modes on the M12 Impact a lot.
Well, the advantage of having the 4 modes to the drill is you're doing different applications throughout your day. You're doing either finishes, you're doing install, or you're going through big, heavy material. So it's nice that you can switch it up.
And if you have a bunch of M12 tools, one battery works in all your tools.
Oh, I love that impact. Usually everyone's going bigger, but the 12 is a good change because it's doing the job.
The M12 Impact has everything you need. You can get into small places, and it has more than enough power to get the job done.